Are you also managing a specialty cheese shop business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your specialty cheese shop business. So here, as an owner of a specialty cheese shop, I am receiving multiple inquiries from my customers and new clients related to the products, varieties of cheese and the prices. Now, manually handling each of the inquiry as well as sending the messages manually is a time consuming and a confusing task. Therefore, I have decided to automate my WhatsApp messages with the help of a chatbot, and I'm going to create this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages which I am receiving from my customers 24/7, as well as it is going to automate all the responses. Now, for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for specialty cheese shop. So, as I told you, as an owner of a cheese shop, I am receiving multiple inquiries from my customers on WhatsApp, and manually handling each of the inquiry is time consuming. Therefore, I have set up a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to handle all my inquiries automatically and going to automate the responses. So, I am going to show you that how you can also create this WhatsApp chatbot by yourself. Before moving forward towards learning this entire process step by step, I am going to first of all show you that how the WhatsApp chatbot is actually going to work. So in order to set up the WhatsApp chatbot, we have to create this flow. Flow is actually the chronological order of the messages which is going to be sent on each of the responses of the customers. That's how we actually want to run our bot. On the basis of this flow, only our bot is going to work and start communicating with our customers. Alright, so here I'm going to show you that how this flow is actually going to work. Whenever we are going to receive some of the messages from our customers in the form of keywords, such as here as a customer, I'm going to send a message on my WhatsApp number for specialty cheese store. Hello, I want to buy specialty cheese. As soon as I have sent this message, you can see that I got a reply automatically. This is the reply we have got from bot. Hey there, welcome to Fromage Realize, your one-stop shop for premium. It is asking me for my name. So when I'm going to reply with my name, let's say new customer, a random name. So you can see automatically I got another message as reply. And this time it is communicating with me. It is addressing me with my name, which I have sent as reply. Thanks, new customer. Could you please share your email address so we can send you order confirmation? So when I'm going to send an email over here, you can see that here I got another reply. Awesome, new customer, again with my name. Here's what I can help you today. So please choose one. When here it is replying me with some buttons. You can see that we have got this automated message with buttons. When the customer is going to click on this button, let's say on this tasting events, it is providing us with another message related to this. We regularly host cheese tasting sessions, our best selections and wine pairings. And here we have two other buttons to place order. If the customer wants to place order, they will get the link quickly. So in this way, our flow, our bot is actually going to work. And you know, we have created this entire chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That is an all-in-one automation tool for WhatsApp, which helps us to automate entire WhatsApp messages, create WhatsApp templates in the customized and the creative format, send broadcast messages, and much more. So let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot step by step for our specialty cheese store. In order to start with the process, you have to go towards your browser and you need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, which is going to take you towards the home page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user of Pabbly, you can just directly click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 tasks for free in order to explore this amazing software and to try Pabbly Chatflow by creating WhatsApp chatbots as well. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now to log into the dashboard. So now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here we can find the credits which are allotted to us, the credits which we have consumed, and the credits that are remaining. So in Pabbly Chatflow we have multiple amazing features. I'm going to explain you all the amazing features one by one in brief. Although we have created separate video tutorials for each of these features on our YouTube channel as well. If you want to learn about them in detail, you can just go and watch each of the video from our YouTube channel. So first of all, we have the inbox feature, where we can manage all our sent as well as the received messages. So if you are using Pabbly Chatflow for WhatsApp automation, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web again and again. Every time you are going to receive a message from your customer or when you are going to send a message, all those messages will be recorded over here in inbox, and you can manage all your messages from this one place only. Apart from this, you can also check the status of the sent messages, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. Then the next we have the contact section, from where we can manage list of contacts. So we can create separate list over here on the basis of different requirements of the customers and the preferences, and then we will be able to send the messages to each of the list on the basis of their requirements separately, that too in the personalized format. Then we have the team queue section, by using which we can assign chats to different team members of our organization. So here, if we are having multiple customers related to different inquiries, different requirements, we can assign each customer to different team member, each chat to different team member. And then with the help of this feature, we can also manage and track the performance of our team members, whether the team members are replying and responding to the customers properly or no. This will increase the productivity of our team as well as the team collaboration. Then we have the template section, where we can create customized templates in the creative format by using media, images, documents, videos, multiple things, and we can send these templates to multiple customers automatically as messages. Then we have broadcast feature, by using which we can send mass messages to list of customers, to list of contacts with the help of templates. And then finally we have the flows, by using which we can create amazing WhatsApp chatbots to automate our WhatsApp chats. Now after coming on the flow section, you can see that here we have all the flows, whether they are inactive or active in the status. We will start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that we have to create a flow. So let's click on this add flow button. And to start with the flow, first of all, let's give a name to it. So here I'm going to give the name to my flow as From Age Delights bot. From Age Delights is the name of my specialty cheese store. Now here, after giving the name to my bot, I'm going to click on save. Every step which you are moving forward in the flow, you have to keep in mind to save your flow in order to keep it updated. Now let's move forward in here, how we are going to start the flow. Now flow is actually the procedure that how our chatbot is going to work. So here I want that when I'm going to receive messages from my customers in the form of inquiries or any of the message in which they want any help or they want to know about the prices or the order, then my flow should automatically start and the chatbot should start responding to the messages of my customers. But in order to start the flow, we will have to enter some of the keywords that we think that we might receive in the form of messages from our customers. So according to your business, you have to decide some of the common keywords. Let's suppose in my case, because I am running a specialty cheese store, I could receive the keywords such as hello, hi, or if the customer wants to place an order, they are going to enter order, or they can enter price please, or they can enter hello, I want some specialty cheese. These could be my keywords. In the similar manner, you have to define some of the keywords which you could receive as the messages from your customers or clients, and you have to enter it over here in the keyword section. When you will receive the messages from your customers on your WhatsApp number, then automatically the keywords will be matched and the flow is going to start and the bot will start responding to the messages of your customers then automatically. So let's see here, I'm going to enter my keyword as hello, I want to buy specialty cheese. We can simply enter the sentences or the words which we want to use as the keywords, and we can press enter and the word or the sentence will turn to blue and that will be added as a keyword. Then further I can have the keyword as order, price, or we can have help, cheese, and much more. So we can have multiple such keywords which we can receive as our messages. Now apart from this, when you have entered the keywords, it might be possible that your customers are not going to send exact words or exact sentences to you. They can send the messages in the dynamic form which might contain some other words or the words in some other variations as well. In that case, apart from adding the keywords, you can also go for adding regex. Regex has a particular pattern in which you have to follow the pattern and enter the keywords, and as you will do that, whenever you're going to receive the messages from your customers, whether in the exact words or in the dynamic format, whether in the case sensitive format, the flow is automatically going to match the keywords and it is going to start and the bot will start responding to the messages. Okay, so regex is actually regular expression and it has a particular format. What you can do in order to enter the regex, you will simply enter /b, you will open a bracket and you will start entering your keywords like this. You have to separate your keywords with the help of this bar, hello, hi, and then you will simply close the bracket, you will enter /b. This is the format of the regex. Now, Here, let's move forward. After you have entered the keywords, your flow start step is ready. What you want? As soon as I'm going to receive a message from my customer on my number, I want my bot to ask their name. So here I want to go towards actions, and here we have the option of ask question. I want to ask the name of my customer. So I'm going to drag this ask question step like this. And here I will connect this step with my flow start. And I'm going to enter the question which I want to ask from my customer in order to get the reply as their name. Okay. So here I'm going to enter the message as, "Hey there, welcome to Fromage Delights, your one-stop shop for premium artisanal cheeses. I am your cheese assistant bot here to help you. May I know your name to get started?" And now I want my customer to reply their name, and that I'm going to add in my contact custom field. So I'm going to select full name over here from the contact custom field list. As I have selected it, when I'm going to receive the reply from my customer along with their name will automatically be added in contact custom field of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in this way, I will be able to communicate further with my customers every time along with their name. I will be able to address my customers with their own name. This will help me to communicate with my customers in the personalized format to enhance the communications as well as to engage the customers. Now here, the format of the name will be text. If you want, you can also provide the number of reattempts. If the customers make any changes, they can reattempt to send the message, and you can also send the validation message along with the reattempt. Now, apart from the name, I also want to collect the emails of my customers. So once the customer will reply me along with their name, I will ask them the email so that I will be able to send them the product catalogs, further offers, launches, etc. through emails. Okay. So here again, I'm going to select ask question, and I'm going to send a message in order to collect the email. "Thanks, full name. Could you please share your email address so we can send you order confirmations and exclusive cheese offers?" Now here you can see that I've entered full name, that is the name of my contact custom field, along with a $sign. Why I've done that? In order to communicate with my customers further by addressing with their own name. So here I want to send messages along with their name, and I want that name should automatically appear over here in the message. Therefore, I've entered $sign along with my contact custom field. In the similar manner, you can also use this contact custom field feature along with a $sign in order to address your customers along with their own name to make your communications personalized. Now this time I want to collect the email, so I will select contact custom field as email, and here we have the contact and we have the select format of email. Okay, how you can select contact custom field? For that we have to go towards settings, and over here we have the option of contact custom fields. By going towards it, you can select any of the details in your contact custom field section. Now once I have collected the name and the email, then further I want to send them the details of my business, and I want to ask them that how can I help them. So for that I want to send them a message. So I will select text plus button over here. Alright, so the message will be, "Awesome, again I have used the variable full name along with a $sign. Here's what I can help you with today. So here please choose one." I'm providing 3 options to my customers which they can select, and I'm going to provide the options with the help of button so that the customers will be able to directly click on the button and they are going to send me the replies. So first button will be browse cheese, if they want to browse the cheese. Then here the second button will be tasting events. We organize some of the tasting events for the cheese on regular basis, so if they want to know about that. And the third button will be for contact support. Now I have entered 3 buttons, and for all these 3 buttons I'm going to send separate messages. So let's start with the browse cheese option. If my customer is going to select this browse cheese button, that means they want to explore about the varieties of cheese we are offering. So in that case, I'm going to send them the message along with the image of the menu which we have. So I'm going to select media option for that, and you have to select the media type if you want to send the media, whether you want to send image, video, audio, or document. I want to send an image. If you want to send an image, you can paste the URL over here, or you can just select the image from your computer as well. So the image will be of this cheese shop menu. I have uploaded it. So this is the image of the varieties of cheeses which we have. Then here I'm going to enter the caption as, if they want to purchase any of the cheese, they want to place the order. So I'm going to add a button for that, and I'm going to enter the caption as, "Here are our delicious collections," and I'm going to attach a button, place order. If they want to explore more and place the order of the cheese, so I'm going to send them a link of our store as well, so they can directly purchase from the website. They can directly place an order. So click here to explore an order. I have provided the link of my shop. Now I'm going to provide one more button if they do not want to place the order and they want to go back to the menu. And if they want to go back to the menu, I'm going to connect this button, go back to menu, with this welcome message. All right. So the first part of the flow is ready. Here we have attached the messages for the first button, that is in case if the customer wants to browse the cheese. Now the second is for the tasting events. So for that, if they want to explore about the tasting events which we organize, I'm going to once again send them a message. One more thing, every time you are moving forward towards the next step, keep saving your flow. Now here the message will be, we regularly host cheese tasting sessions with our best selections and wine pairings. Book your spot now. In order to book the spot for cheese tasting, click on this link and you will be able to book your spot. Okay, this is the message. Along with it, if they want to place the order as well, so I'm going to provide them the button for that, and I'm going to connect this place order button with this link message. Then here we have another button I'm going to attach, that is if they want to go back to the menu. I am attaching place order button again and again in order to encourage my customers to place order in order to increase my sale. Okay, now the back to menu button will be connected with this welcome message once again. Third one is the contact support. So I'm going to send them another message in that case if they want to contact the support. We are here to help. You can reach our customer support team directly at this number or reply with your query here, as we will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, I'm going to provide them another button that apart from contact support, if their query is related to cheese care, that how they can store the cheese. So the button will be tip to store. And here I'm going to send them a message. Tip of the day, store cheese in wax paper and keep it in the vegetable drawer of your fridge for longer freshness. And here this is the tip if they want to know about, if they are contacting the support just to know that how they have to store their cheese to keep it fresh. Now I am done with my flow, as you can see. So here I have created a systematic flow for each of the query of my customer. So every time I'm going to receive a keyword for related to my cheese store, automatically my bot is going to start responding to the messages. First of all, it is going to ask the name. When I'm going to receive the name as a reply, by addressing the customers along with their name, I'm going to collect the email. And further, I'm going to ask that how can I help them. If they are going to select any of these buttons, the messages will be forwarded to them automatically. Now, when the flow is ready, let's click on save. And now I'm going to show you whether the flow which we have created is actually working or no. So for that, again, I'm going to take you towards my WhatsApp account. And over here, I'm going to send a message as a customer on my WhatsApp number, along with the keywords which we have decided. So let's say here I'm going to send a message as cheese. As I've done that, it is replying me, hey there, welcome to Fromage Delights, your one-stop shop for premium artisanal cheeses. I'm your cheese assistant bot here to help you. May I know your name to get started? Yes, that means our flow is properly working and the bot is responding. So let me reply with the name, let's say as Smart User. As I have done that, it is saying, thanks Smart User, could you please share your email address? So let me provide an email as well. As I have sent the email, now it is replying me, awesome Smart User. Here again, it is addressing me with my name. Here's what I can help you with today. So here I'm going to select, let's say, browse cheese. As I've done that, it is providing me the menu as well as here we have other options. Here's our delicious collection. To place order, click on this button, back to menu. When I'm going to click on back to menu, here we are again on the welcome message. So yes, our flow is absolutely working fine. And the bot is responding automatically to all the messages of the customers. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create the flow for your business, for your specialty cheese store, which is going to automate entire WhatsApp messages. It is going to handle the inquiries, support messages, as well as orders. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.